Hello, welcome back. I'm Leslie.
I'm Zoe.
And we are 2/3 of Life at Z.
Yeah.
Zaz is off to the side. But we are in Dania Beach, which is right outside Fort Lauderdale, because we are going on a new adventure. We are headed on the
Destiny
tomorrow morning. So let's go explore Dania Beach a little bit. Once we arrived in Fort Lauderdale Airport, we grabbed our bags and headed to the ground transportation area. This time we did not do rideshare and instead took the shuttle to the hotel. In this area, located by letter E, you can find all the transportation for the various hotels in the area. Saz contacted the phone number that was provided, and before we knew it, the shuttle had arrived. It is a complimentary shuttle from the airport to the hotel. They also pick up guests at the hotel across the street, Hyatt Place, as well as Hyatt House. It was pretty quiet when we arrived. There was actually a bar located right next to the front desk and a convenience store with so many snacks as well as frozen items since these suites have kitchens. There's pizza and ice cream, beverages of all types, as well as water. This hotel also offers a hot breakfast buffet in the mornings. This is the area located right past the convenience store where you can sit to have your meals. There is a gym located on the first floor that is open 24 hours and a work area also down the hall.
Hey everyone, it's Zoe, and this is the tour of our room at Hyatt House. Room 519.
Welcome to our crib. We are in Dania Beach, Florida, at the Hyatt House. When you enter our room, we actually have a living room.
Yay!
So we have a TV with a storage unit underneath and a little table with lamp.
With a lamp.
With a lamp.
Oh, that's bright.
It makes it so much brighter in here.
Oh, yeah.
We have a couch with two ottomans. And this couch will actually be Zoe's bed.
Yay!
As it pulls out on this side. As you keep walking into our room, we have like a kitchenette. Actually, it might be more than a kitchenette. There's like a little stove, a microwave, plenty of cabinets and storage. What's in the cabinets? Let's see. Oh, they have plates, a colander,
some small plates,
mugs, bowls, glasses. There is a coffee maker.
microwave.
There's a dishwasher.
Oh, a dishwasher?
Yes.
Oh, that's the stove over there.
Trash can.
Fridge.
They have different.
What is that thing?
A grater and a wine cork.
Okay, that's what it is.
Remover thing. I don't drink wine really, so some utensils for cooking. Knives.
More
and
utensils.
A pan, a pot, and utensils.
Beautiful fridge, which I wish had food in there right now. We would have looked in there.
I was just double checking.
Get that one up there.
Probably nothing there.
Yeah.
Here is our freezer and fridge. It's pretty spacious. So if you were staying here for a few days and going to the beach and spending more time here, you could actually cook a meal and have a seat at the little dining table. This is the bedroom.
Sadly, not mine.
It's okay. Very nice, comfy bed. And actually, there's a TV in front of there. And then the pool is actually right below. And then across the street is a whole shopping area. There's Hobby Lobby, Five Below, multiple restaurants. So I think we're gonna go take a walk and check it out. There's plenty of storage.
Oh wow, it's huge.
Yeah, those are huge doors. Yeah. And a telephone, couple of
Telephone.
lamps,
It says telephone.
phone. Here's the door. It has a
Oh.
barn door
Oh, I like that.
to close
Not that sound
the
though.
bathroom. So we have one sink with plenty of storage and towels, tissues. We have a walk-in shower
I want to walk in.
that has a bench to sit on.
Oh, it smells kind of funny in here.
And it comes with shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner.
Little toilets right there.
Toilet is behind us. And a closet with plenty of hangers, an ironing board, and an iron.
Oh, more hangers.
Yeah, this is a nice room. This is very spacious. All right. Well, that concludes the tour of our room. Thanks for joining.
This is the grass right there.
Grass.
There's Hobby Lobby, J. Crew, TJ Maxx, Ulta, Panda Express, Outback. All kinds of restaurants. That concludes our travel day to Fort Lauderdale. So far, first impressions, what do you think?
Pretty nice.
I do like it here. I like that it's smaller than the Hilton Marina. That one was very much bigger. And so to get from one, from our room to like the restaurant, which is much farther away. So we like that the Dania Pointe, the shops and restaurants are very close. So we ended up walking through that whole area. We went to go eat dinner at Outback because we had gift cards. And yeah, it was just very convenient. So far, I think we like this the best of the 3 places that we've stayed in Fort Lauderdale. So I think this is a contender for the future. And
That wasn't cheap, right?
no, but I think the other ones were more expensive,
For what
weren't
I
they?
think.
Yes, I think this one was actually cheaper than the Hilton Marina was going to be and Lago Mar. This one also will include complimentary breakfast tomorrow.
Yes.
So it's in the
Yummy.
lobby area.
Hopefully.
So a lot of pros for this Hyatt house so far. But we are going to now shower, relax, and wind down. And we cannot wait for tomorrow. Thanks for joining us.
Bye.